How to fix login error in Suits Me application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while logging into your account, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is actually connected to a network that is working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing problems while logging into your account, you can go to Settings, tap on General, iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Suits Me application. Click on Show All, tap on Suits Me, and simply click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your network, regarding your login. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.